Hello guys, so what is up? In this video we are going to show you how to buy USDT on Kucoin. Now Kucoin is another one of those websites where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrency. Now of course you need an account. It's very streamlined, very straightforward. You do need some identification to verify your account so that you can start trading. But once you've done everything, what you want to do, of course, you need to be logged in, and we are on the Kucoin website on our desktop. You can also do this on your mobile device, iPhone, Android, whatever. But for this, we're going to do for the desktop. So it's very easy. What you want to do is, of course, just type in buy crypto, and you will be brought to this page. And here you're going to be able to buy and even sell cryptocurrency. So as you can see here, I want to spend how much amount of, it says here euros, but there are a lot of other currencies here available. So let's just stick with that, and you will receive either whatever cryptocurrency you have. And as you can see, by default, it's already on USDT. So if you say you want to buy 100 euros worth of USDT, this is pretty much how much you're gonna get, and you will be able to pay with so your credit or debit card, P2P Express with Revolut and Paysera, or you can also have Bansa, Simplex, BTC Direct, Legend Trading, and OnRamp as third-party payment methods. After that, you just need to click on buy USDT, and you need to, of course, to fill in your card information. And that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next one.